on the way to Pat Built Performance to do some data logging on the car. We actually have a revised Rob tune to load up, so we're gonna go ahead and get there, load up the Rob tune, go do a data test hit, then come back, see how it is, and then go from there. Maybe another revision, maybe not, because the tune he sent me, I think it could be slightly revised. The shift points were a little weird, and I know we hit like limiter one time in a gear, so I'm thinking he was saying, we talked to him on the phone, he was saying he could just mess with the shift points and then we should be all good to go. And then maybe tonight go ahead and drag the car again and see what it runs, because I was hoping for like a 4.6, 4.7, but yeah, I think the car draggy like a 4.89, which is, I mean, I've been told that is a little higher than what it should be. I also think I need headers. I think that is starting to become an issue. But yeah, I talked about headers and front runners in like 2 videos ago. But we're about to meet Marcus at the gas station. He's about to do this data log with me in the car. But I'm excited to see what Rob can do. I know he has some pretty crazy S650s, so I'm hella excited. And he did pick up from the Whipple tune, he did pick up a good amount more power. So we just got to get this thing revised, and this thing should be shifting a lot smoother. Just needs tweaked like just a little bit. It's so close. I'm just excited to have this thing down for 2K. We have like 5 more weeks left until 2K, man. I'm actually dummy excited this year, because I mean, I went last year and it was a blast. Like, I was like, all right, I'm never gonna miss another 2K, but I only had a 500 horsepower Supra. This year it's gonna be a 900 horsepower Mustang, so I'm hella excited. I think it'll be a lot different now that we actually have a car that can compete with all the other cars. I mean, the Supra, I mean, I don't know how many of you guys watched the video when I had the Supra on the channel, but I wasn't getting my doors blown off by everything there. I was actually pretty surprised. This dude Marcus is late. I don't think I see him. No, this dude's late. This dude's late, man. Come on, Mr. Marcus. Alright, I'll catch up with y'all when he gets here. Alright, after like a smooth 25-minute drive, we are about to pull up to the shop. A little later than I wanted to be here, honestly. I wanted to pull up a little sooner, but Steve Marcus was running a little behind. I guess some people pulled up to his house and were being like sketchy, asking about the car, and then they gave him something. They're like, can you go throw this in the house? Like, throw this in the trash? And he was like, hell no, I'm not leaving you like around my house with my cars on and shit. Get the hell out of here. So he stayed back at the house for a sec. That was mad sketch. I'd have been a little sketched out too, I'm not gonna lie. When people come up to your home and they're asking you about your car and they just seem like just a little off. It's like now they know where you live, they know what car you got in the garage. Because they were asking about his Shelby. It's like, yeah, it's a little sus. But hopefully we can get this tune revised. I don't really want to do street pulls during the day, especially over here, but that's what needs to be done. Yo, what the fuck? Let's get this going. Alright, we just got the tune loaded up. We're about to go do a second gear wide open throttle pull and then check out the log and see what can be revised, if any. Hopefully, you know, hopefully nails it first try, but we'll see if we need to do another revision. go test out this revision. We got tuner Marcus.
Sauce it up.
Yeah, you're saucing it up right now. That shit's funny.
Want me to put the drag?
Huh?
You want me to have the drag going?
You can do it if you want. We can do a log and then the draggy as well. You think this is good or no?
You can find it. You don't need to do the entire hit.
I mean, I didn't have room.
Yeah, but
it shifted, everything worked.
Yeah, it's way faster. It's way faster.
Gotta remember too, it is warmer out.
2 people in the car?
Yeah, 2 people in the car. It's a little warmer too.
Yeah.
Well, not a little. It's a decent amount warmer.
Yeah.
What's the DA?
1200.
Alright, just got back from doing the hit. Marcus said that it did run a faster draggy time than the previous tune. It ran like a yo Marcus, what it run? A 517? And that's with 2 people in the car in hotter weather. The DA was a 1200.
Yes.
So DA was definitely way more drastic today. So 517. We're gonna shoot it over to Rob, see what he has to say about it. But everything felt good. The car ran faster. The shift points were good. So I think just gonna send it to Rob, show him, and then call it there. All right, we headed out of here. We got the final flash on the car. Thank you, Mr. Rob. Thank you, Pat. Yeah, this thing, I'm definitely happy. A lot more happy with this. The shift points are perfect. Now we just got to put it to the true test and get some runs. Also, some of the comments was asking, when we logged the car, Pat said it was making 15 pounds. So there you go, it makes 15 pounds. But hopefully some people go out tonight and we can get some runs and actually put this thing to the test instead of just draggy pulls. Draggy pulls are fun, but getting some runs is way more fun. But probably just cruise home now. They said do like one more. We'll try and get one more hit on the way home. We'll see how traffic is. I don't know why I get a little sketched out over here, like not having a spot or anything. But that's just me being paranoid. I also don't want, you know, any issues prior to 2K. That would kill my 2K. Guys can't wait for 2K, bro. Like this 5 weeks, it's just gonna go by so slow for me. I already know it. I think about it every day. And I just know how it was last year when I was in a 500 horsepower Super. Like this year in a 900 horsepower Mustang, it's gonna be a blast. And I mean, we're pretty much dialed. I mean, we're ready. I'm gonna try and get suspension in though right before 2K. The spring spacers and alignment. We should be able to get to it. I think we will. If we didn't, I wouldn't be angry. It wouldn't be the end of the world. Marcus already headed out. I was trying to cruise home with him, but we were just waiting for the revision. But he had a dip. He has some work to take care of at home. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just go home and go straight to the computer and get some work done. So hopefully people want to pop out tonight. That's solid. That is solid. W Rob. But my GoPro is about to die, so I think I'm gonna end it here. If you guys all like the video, want to see more S650 content, make sure you drop a like, drop a sub, all that good shit, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.